Welcome! Today I'll show you how to create a Discord bot and host it online for free. You can see the finished product on screen right now. You'll need accounts for Discord, GitHub, Heroku and Uptime Robot. Links are in the description. You will also need Node.js and a code editor. Links also in the description. So first off, you'll need to create your bot account. So go to discord.com/developer/application and create a new application. Give it a name. All right. Now you want to go to bot and add a bot. And now we have to add the bot to our Discord server. So go to OAuth 2, select bot and copy the link. Go to the link and select the Discord server where you want to test or have your bot. Authorize. And that's done. Now, as you can see, the Discord bot, the tutorial bot is in here. Next up is creating a GitHub repository. This can be closed. So create a new repository, give it a name, and add a gitignore for Node, and create a repository. Now let's create a Heroku app. You'll have to create an account first, and once you've done that, create a new app, give it a name, and select the region. Create the app. Now you want to select GitHub. Give in the name of your GitHub repository and search, and connect to your GitHub repository. Now you want to enable automatic deploys. Basically what this does is every time you push to your GitHub repository, Heroku will automatically rebuild and redeploy your application. Now it's time to clone the GitHub repository. So copy the link, go to Git or use GitHub Desktop if you prefer that, and clone the repository. Let's try that again. And clone the Discord repository. Also, we should add the token, the bot token, to Heroku. So copy the token, go to Heroku, go to settings, reveal config variables, give the key token, and then the value is the token, and add it. Now let's go back to our code editor. Open folder, select the folder, and that should work. Then open up a terminal and initialize a node. This is done via npm init. Just enter a package name, a version, a description, an entry point, a test command, a GitHub repository, keywords, an author, and a license. And if that is done, go into package.json. Now we need to add a test start script because Heroku uses a start script. So just type start and just write down node index.js, and don't forget a comma at the end. All right. Now let's create the index file, our actual program. So index.js. And in here we will be creating the Discord bots. Before we can do that, we also have to install Discord, of course. So npm install discord.js. This can take a while. All right. Now let's start programming the Discord bot. So first you want to import Discord. Then you want to create a Discord client. And then you want to log in with that client. Now for this bot, we'll add some simple code. So every time you get a message, we check if the content is ping. And if the content is ping, then we reply with pong. Very simple. So this is a Discord bot. You can make this as complicated or as simple as you want. Now, unfortunately, Heroku expects a web server. So what we have to do to make this run on Heroku is create a dummy web server. So first off, import the HTTP module, and then create a simple web server. So you just create a server and write hello world and then end the response. You want to listen on the process environment port because Heroku gives that to us. Also, the reason why we use a token is because this is the token that we set in the config variables earlier in the tutorial. Save it and open up your Git and add your changes, commit your changes and push to the repository. Now once this is pushed, you'll be able to see an overview on Heroku that the build has started after a few seconds. Yeah, there we go. Now you just wait for the build to finish. And as you can see, the build has succeeded and the app is deployed. You can double check if your Hello World page works by opening the app. And then you can see Hello World, so that works fine. Now if you check Discord, the tutorial bot is also online. So if I type ping, it replies with pong. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you have any questions, leave a comment or check out my stream. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.